Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to loop video in Canva. If you're creating a seamless background, a social media post, or a repeating promo, loop-ready templates are one of the fastest ways to get professional results without dealing with complicated timelines or editing software. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva in your browser and go to the Templates section. This is where Canva stores thousands of ready-made designs, including video templates that are already structured for motion and animation. If you're already inside a project, just click back to the home page so you can access the full template library. On the left side, click Templates. This opens up categories and gives you access to Canva's search system. From here, you can easily find designs based on what you need, whether it's Instagram content, presentations, or widescreen video formats. Now go to the search bar at the top. This search looks through Canva's full template library, not your personal files, so you'll get curated design results instead of raw uploads. Type in Loop Video and press Enter. This will bring up templates that are designed with repeating motion in mind. You'll see things like animated backgrounds, smooth transition graphics, and short motion clips that naturally flow back into the beginning. Take your time browsing here. Scroll through the results and pay attention to the format of each template. Some are designed for social media stories, others for posts, and some for widescreen video backgrounds. If you already know where you're going to use the video, try to match the format early. That will save you time later. As you hover over templates, Canva often previews the animation automatically. This is really helpful because you can instantly see how the motion behaves. What you're looking for is a clean loop. That means the animation should return smoothly to its starting point without any sudden jumps, freezes, or awkward transitions. A good loop should feel continuous, almost like it never actually ends. Also, keep an eye out for whether the template is free or part of Canva Pro. Some of the more advanced animated designs may require a Pro account, so it's good to check before you commit. Now, scroll a bit further. You'll notice that Canva offers a wide variety of loop styles. Some are minimal, with soft motion. Others use bold text animations, gradients, or dynamic backgrounds. Each one creates a different mood, so think about the purpose of your video. For example, subtle loops work really well for backgrounds or presentations, while more energetic loops are better for ads or social content where you want attention quickly. Another thing to consider is timing. Shorter loops usually feel smoother when repeated. If the animation is too long or complex, it might feel noticeable when it restarts. Simple motion often works best for seamless repetition. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open the full preview. Here, you can see the animation more clearly, along with the layout, colors, and timing. Watch it closely and imagine how it will look once it's repeated in a loop. If it feels smooth and natural, go ahead and click Customize this template. Canva will now open the design inside the editor. This is where you can make it your own. You can change text, adjust colors, swap images, or even replace elements with your own branding. The key is to keep the motion structure intact so the loop effect still works properly. If you're adding your own video or graphics, try to match the timing of the original design as closely as possible. This helps maintain that seamless repeat effect. Use the preview function in Canva to play your animation and watch it loop. This is important because it lets you catch any small issues like timing gaps or visual jumps. If something doesn't feel smooth, you can make small adjustments to timing, spacing, or transitions until it flows naturally. And that's really it. By using Canva's loop-ready templates, you can create professional-looking repeating videos in just a few minutes without needing advanced editing skills. Once you're happy with your design, you're ready to export it and use it anywhere: social media, presentations, ads, or even background displays. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.